Yes, sir. Assalamu alaikum.
Yeah,
Yes,
walaikum
I can.
assalam. How are you?
Uh, yes, I'm fine. Alhamdulillah. So everything is fine.
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, everything is fine.
MashaAllah. So first of all, thank you so much for your teaching me this course. I'm very happy, but I make it very delayed to submit my assignments.
Okay, no problem.
Uh, so I want to introduce you about myself. Actually, I'm Dr. Muhammad Naeem and working as associate professor in China.
Okay,
And
great.
basically I'm from Pakistan. Yeah, I'm from Pakistan, and I already was working on GIS, but remote sensing was missing in my field. So Alhamdulillah, I'm very happy and very thankful to you.
Okay, thank you. Thank you also you. Okay.
Welcome, welcome.
Okay, so now we are just ask you some question about our online training program. So mainly it's one kind of feedback from your side, or also if you have
Okay,
any information for that, you can also ask about that. So basically,
okay.
what you think this online training program is beneficial for anyone who don't have any knowledge in programming or coding? Is it okay for anyone or not? What do you think about that?
Yes, it's very beneficial even you don't know any language, any codes before, because my specialization is biology actually, and we don't know about the computer or codings.
Yes.
But Alhamdulillah, I work very well in 7 days training, then I make a very good practice. So it is very beneficial. Yes, very helpful. Even you don't know, because your teaching style is very good. You not only teach the Python, you also teach the other things which are very important, and how to make the vocabularies, how to make the comments. So these are very basic things, I think. And
Yes.
even your suggestions very helpful for my R. I also use some codes, and to little bit I have knowledge about R, but when you teach me this, both were very correctly I can perform. So it
Okay.
was good. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Uh,
Thank
it
you.
is, so one thing I have suggestion. So your videos, it will be much better if it should be with the title. Even 10 minutes or 5 minutes video, there should be the title. This video is for this. This video
Yes.
is for this. So it's a complete 3 hours. Sometimes it may very confusion. We have to see
Yes. Yes.
which
Yes.
we have
Understand.
to. Yeah. So
Yeah.
this will be very helpful if you do in future. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you for your
Okay.
suggestion. Okay.
Thank you so
So
much.
basically, what motivate you to join this training program?
Your free videos in the YouTube
Okay. Thank you. Thank
very
you.
very happy, so I was very excited. Once I miss your first training, I think, but again you give this advertisement, so when I see, and one class was missed already, but I request you, so you allow me to attend this.
Okay. So basically, who is model or who is content are most helpful for you from this
Yeah, for
training?
me, actually, the land cover will be very helpful, and the gases in the air quality. These both are very helpful because I'm studying on the insects,
Okay.
and I want to study the conservation. So insects are in the air, so we have to see why these gases are present in a specific region and what the land cover changes are going on. Yeah.
Okay. Great.
So my yeah. So one thing, so we have the information of the gases, I think 2017 and onward. We don't
Yes.
have to in 2000. So is there a source we can get the gases
Okay, so
information?
some gases we can also get only for the methane. Methane is also possible, but other gases
Okay.
is not possible because
Okay. Okay.
Sentinel 5P is launched in 2017. From the year of 2017, you can get from this type of Sentinel 5P satellite imagery gases which are available. You can
Okay.
get. Okay,
Okay.
but
That's good.
methane is also
And
possible
okay.
for the
Okay.
very long
And I
time.
have one more suggestion I will give you. If you add one more thing, AI tool. If you
Yes,
connect this AI tool in this training, I think it will more attract more people.
yes,
So
yes.
this is also very good.
Okay, so I also try to add it for that. Okay.
So thank you
Okay.
so much.
So now overall, how would you rate the overall content of the training program, a scale of 1 to 10?
Very excellent. Perfect.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you.
just okay. Many thanks. Many
Okay.
thanks, sir. Many thanks.
Okay,
So
thank you.
thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Have a
Bye
good
bye.
night. Bye.
Okay. Bye bye. Bye bye.